is midnight. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. It's 2 o'clock in the watch, and yeah, I love shooting marathons, and like for the past couple of years I have been shooting marathons, so I thought why not make a vlog out of it. So enjoy the vlog. So this is my kit, and like let's pack it. That's it, and we are ready to roll. Let's change. Oh, yeah, and we're ready. Let's make some coffee. So the call time is 3 a.m. and right now it's 2:50, I guess. So I have to reach the venue in like 10 minutes. Early in the morning, 3 a.m. This is how the city looks, and probably that is the reason like I love shooting events like this. So let's go. I've reached the venue right now, and let's see where the team is. Amkar, good morning. This is like the venue, so the start and finish line, and we are waiting for the next flag off.
Five, four, three, two, one, and go!
That's it for today. With that said, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at the Canon Guy.